Hello everyone, I'm Steve Burnett with Scott Murdock Trailer Sales. I want to take a moment to show you the 2022 Trails West 28-foot free ride. This particular toy hauler is a really neat setup with lots of features. I'll just kind of hit the high points as we run through this one. All aluminum exterior trailer, fully painted, really nice features, hydraulic jacks, everything you're going to need for an interior as far as a toy hauler goes. As we go along the exterior, you can see we've got really large awning exterior speakers. We're also going to be set up with a 40-gallon auxiliary fuel tank mounted underneath the trailer. Full 8.5 feet wide, so a really wide trailer. And then we're going to have 82 inches worth of pipe to get into the trailer, so it'll handle your taller razors and things with roll bars on them. Really neat feature here with the ramp. This does double as a porch. You can put your stands up to be able to use this as a way to kind of get out of whatever you're parked in. You're also going to feature pull down screen door. Just kind of make everything a lot more pleasant when you've got everything open. As you can see inside, we're going to be fully lined with aluminum. Plenty of overhead cabinet space, lots of hanging hooks, lots of storage. Really neat features. This particular one's going to have 4 fold down bunks. So each one of these will fold down. So those will fold down here. Fold up sofa that'll also double as a bed. And then we're going to have a picnic table. So this will come down, as will your seats here. So you can see everything's as modular as it can be. Also, everything's going to be made out of aluminum, just for your interior. If you're going to need to wash this out or anything like that, you'll still be able to. Fold-down TV, all LED lights, big strip lighting, heavy-duty fans to take everything, your air in or out of the trailer. This is also going to feature a bathroom where you're going to have a toilet shower combo. Front kitchen area is going to feature stovetop, microwave, large refrigerators. So got your bed area going to be really nice with an air conditioner. For more information on this particular trailer, give us a call at 800-688-8757 and take a look at this offering at murdocktrailers.com.